Car insurance is a type of financial protection that covers you and your vehicle in case of an accident, theft, fire, or other damage. Car insurance can help you pay for the costs of repairing or replacing your car as well as the medical bills and legal fees that may arise from the accident. Car insurance can also protect you from being sued by other driver or a third party who was involved in or affected by the accident. There are different types of car insurance covered that you can choose from depending on your needs and preferences. Some of the most common types of car insurance coverage are third party liability. This coverage provides compensation for injuries to other people, legal expenses, or property damage caused by your vehicle if you are at fault in an accident. This coverage is mandatory in most states and provinces, and each sets a minimum amount of liability coverage that you must have. Auto accident benefits. This coverage provides compensation to you and any other passenger in your car for medical care.
ब्रेक लाना. हाँ इधर दबा. अबे नहीं. इनका.
Uninsured automobile. This coverage protects you if you are involved in an auto accident in which the other motorist is not insured or cannot be identified. This coverage can help you pay for your own medical expenses, vehicle damage, or lost income that resulted from the accident. Collisions. This coverage provides coverage for damage to your vehicle if your car hits another car or an object or your vehicle rolls over. This coverage is optional and subject to a deductible, which is the amount of money that you have to pay out of pocket before the insurance company pays for the rest of claim. Comprehensive. This coverage applies when your car is damaged by something other than a collision, such as theft, fire, vandalism, or falling objects. This coverage is also optional and subject to a loss of use. This coverage provides compensation for renting a car when you lose access to your vehicle because of a claim. This coverage is optional and may have limit on the amount or duration of the rental. The cost of car insurance depends on various factors such as your age, driving record, location, vehicle types, coverage amount, deductible amount, and discounts. You can compare different car insurance quotes online or through a broker to find the best deal of your situation. Car insurance is not only a legal requirement but also a smart investment that can save you from financial hardship and stress in the event of an accident or damage to your vehicle. By choosing the right car insurance coverage for your needs, you can enjoy peace of mind and security on the road.